Coffee is on its way. Oh, I bring you coffee on the go. Can you put your coaster on the side? These cups are unspillable.
Welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. Did you say 11? Did you just go? Did you? Okay. Well, hi guys. This is currently what I look like when I wake up. Not the cutest, but I will make myself look a little bit more presentable for you guys before I start this vlog properly. But first, coffee. Is the tennis court is open again.
Finally.
Are we avoiding the camera?
No, just not to.
Yeah, the tennis court's open again. As I said, we're not great, but we try, and it's so much fun. It's now 2 o'clock, so we actually spend a good few hours doing it, which for me I think is a lot better exercise than us jogging, because we can only get around 3 laps, can't we?
Yeah.
So I think we came at like 11:30 or 12,
something like that, yeah.
Maybe even 11, I don't remember, but it's at least 2 hours, if not 3. That's some good exercise. So what's the day tomorrow? Saturday?
Friday tomorrow.
So maybe we can do it again tomorrow and we'll leave the weekend, because that's when it's always busy.
Yeah.
Because during the week it is quite empty, as you can see, which is nice. Now I need to go home and see if the video is uploaded, because I was having troubles with my Final Cut this morning. And then don't know what we're going to do today. I do want, and I don't know if I'm going to find this in a shop or on Amazon. It really does hurt to leave your arm up. Some alphabet stamps, because I want to alphabet stamp the names on the place settings instead, because I don't have great handwriting. And I think it will look better. So I think I can find one on Amazon. If not, that Shop Tiger I feel like would have something like that.
Yeah.
Or like Paper Chase or something. Are you gonna stay home today?
Yeah.
He's gonna stay home and do music. I will go and see Mama later, and I might put up the second tree today. I don't know. We've got a lot of tidying up to do before Christmas. Another thing, I might have to fake tan, because I don't think I've seen myself as pale before.
It's winter time.
Yeah, but look at how pale I am.
Yeah, with different complexions.
Yeah, but still, that's bad. I'm never normally that pale. Because this time last year, I still had my niece tan.
Yeah.
Anyway, we'll obviously bring you along and let you know what I get up to today. My little friend here is proper coming out. I've just had a shower after playing tennis, and after that lovely breakfast that the boy made me, I'm definitely feeling like I want to have a nap. So I'm going to chill out for a bit, catch up on some Vlogmases, and then see what we're going to do this evening. We might just cook and stay in. I might put up the other tree, just to see how we go. But that tennis exhausted me today. We played for quite a few hours and we haven't done that in a while. I do definitely need to figure out this guy though, don't I? But yeah, I do want to play tennis again tomorrow, but obviously it takes up like 2-3 hours every day. So, I've got some cream, haven't rubbed in there properly. So it like stunts you from doing a lot, to be fair. But this weekend we're definitely not going to be playing tennis because it's a little bit more busier at the tennis courts. So maybe this weekend will be a little more interesting for you guys. But I definitely felt like I needed a bit more exercise. I do want to find a pool that I can go somewhere as well, but at the moment they're only letting people with memberships in, which is understandable because it's Corona and like there's less people going in the pool at the moment anyway. Like you're not allowed as many people as you were before, so they have to prioritize the memberships, which I understand. I just I've missed swimming. I haven't been in a long time, so that's something I would like to do soon too. But right now I just want to relax, potentially have a nap, and I'll let you guys know. Feeling incredibly lazy. So you find me after having a rather long nap in the kitchen. I felt so exhausted after that tennis. It killed me. I still feel a little bit tired. Anyway, I'm not massively hungry, neither is the boy. So I'm going to have, I mean, I think you saw what I had for lunch, which was like sausages, scrambled egg and toast. So that filled me up quite a bit. I think that was also breakfast as well though. So now I'm going to cook some soup, cut up some, I have like this soup based stuff which is really nice, and then I'm going to cut up some courgette and mushroom, put that in there, and then just have some toast on the side. So a really quick dinner. It's going to take like 10 minutes maximum to make, and it's all I have the energy for. I still feel so exhausted. I don't know, I think it's just been so long used to staying indoors that the tennis just beat me. Like you can see how dark my circles are. It looks awful. But yeah, I need to get some nutrients in me. Maybe that'll give me some energy. So lots of veggies, which is good. had dinner and I'm already back in bed. I feel so exhausted still today, but I'm gonna spend the rest of my evening watching Housewives and I'm gonna do my skincare like a good girl, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's the end of this Vlogmas. I'm catching up, if you want to know, on The Real Housewives of New York. I have not watched it fully. I mainly watch them for the reunions, they're really fun. But yeah, I'm gonna leave the vlog here today. I know it wasn't too much, but tennis was a lot for me today. We spent a good few hours there. I think we're gonna play again tomorrow if we have the energy. It's one of those days where I feel like I have so much to do and I can't do anything. But we shall see what tomorrow brings. I also want to go look at this street that has amazing lights, like all of the houses like really do up the lights. So that's going to come very soon. I think tomorrow. We'll see. If we play tennis, then probably not. I will bring you along. You guys shall see tomorrow anyway. But yes, Housewives for the rest of the evening, and then straight to bed. I mean, I'm already in bed, but I've not settled down for bed yet. I've literally just like laid back down. So good night guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.